Sorry. It's because like whenever you turn on the recording thing on iPhone, it sounds like a song from the intro. Hey, besties! Another day, another slide. No, I'm kidding. As y'all as y'all can see by the title, I'm going to be, damn it. Well, we're just gonna put that away. Alrighty, we're back in business. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys the new plants that I bought this month. Now, August was a very, very interesting month. I had a lot more depression phases than I was expecting. And the weather was really, was really trying me. It was trying me. Like, it would have said that it would rain like 10 times a day, but it would never rain. I mean, it wouldn't be lying. Like, it would have rained in other places in San Antonio, but where I'm at, it doesn't. And then when I went to go film plant shopping, I saw it all dark and I was like, it's probably raining at the house. Of course it will, because I'm not there. And I was like, no, that's weird. I kept staring and I was like, it was so really, really dark out there, like in that side that I was looking at. I know that was where the house is at. And I was like, okay, well, let me just go home and I already finished filming and let me just go see over there if it's like actually raining. So I went and it was pouring. And I was like, maybe it's just a cloud. And then when I pulled up to the neighborhood, it was like, there was so much water moving around because we live in like in a mountain, like in a hill. So much water going down. I was like, God damn it. I missed a beautiful moment of a heavy rain that I've been craving for weeks. I feel like the rain doesn't like me. I don't even know. But in a positive note, I did surprisingly got some plants. I got more than what I expected. I mean, I'm filming plant shopping videos like almost every single day, so the temptations are really high. And surprisingly, I didn't got that many. So I'm kind of proud of myself. And the plants that I did got were like really, really cool finds or plants that I just really, really enjoy. So before I start, let me know. And also I did burn my hair, aka straightened it. I got really, really bored and I was like, you know what? And I said are gonna get mad because people like my curls. But well, wannabe curls. My curls are ugly. But I got bored. So I was like, let me just go straighten my hair. I feel like burning it because I'm bored. I don't know what to do with it because I have it like this, cover my big forehead and my wrinkles. I usually like to do it another way, which I really like the way the hair looks, but it exposes my forehead way too much. I don't like it. So let's get started. Alrighty, first thing is first, I got these, I think they're called yellow fusions. Fusion yellow calathea or yellow fusion calathea. And I got 2 of them. I'm using them on these Maximiles cash pots because I have so many cash pots. Oh my god, the apartment I have a lot more. I gotta go really bad over there and get some more stuff. But I got these cuties at the 99-cent store. And they were, I thought they were $1 and I was like, what the hell? Or maybe it was like $3, but she scanned it was like $13.99. And I thought it was a really, really good deal because you don't find these. And when you do, they're kind of expensive. Even the white fusion calatheas, they're difficult to find and really expensive to like pay for. But whenever I go to my local nurse. So yeah, like they're just so goddamn pretty and I was super duper shocked. They had other plants too, but they kind of look a little bit burnt. This one has a little bit too much water. And yeah, like she was like, that's too much. And I was like, no, it's fine. Like $13.99, like I'm okay with that. She was like, no, let me justify. And I was like, okay, I mean, I said no, but okay. So she ended up putting it for $5.99 for me each. That's a steal. I'm literally surprised they have plants on the list. And so like I knew they had plants, like they have moments. But my mom has been telling me that they're starting to have more plants more often. So you'll see me there pretty often now. And you guys, they're just so pretty. Now I do have them in the kitchen. I am starting to see crispiness. I know that's me. It's kind of difficult to tell because like I always stare at them, so I can never really tell. But let me show you without spilling water. That's how they look. And I have them in the kitchen. They get morning light, and then I water them. You know, whenever I wash dishes, I always check on them, and I water them like water that was left out. Like I use the propagation water. I think that has less mineral deposit or just stuff like that, and maybe they'll appreciate it. And also it's really, really humid in the kitchen, so I think they would appreciate it. But these are so beautiful. Insane finds. Like I'm literally shocked. I possibly might see them a lot more often now, so that's really, really, really exciting. And then next up is going to be this Cupid peperomia. Like y'all know I keep like wanting to but I was always really, really scared that it's gonna be like those peperonias that I kill. Because I have 2 kinds. One of them that like gets like, it has like really, really fragile leaves. Whenever I overwater or underwater it drops leaves like crazy, like the peperonia frost. I always kill that one. Or the other kind is like the range of peperonia, or like really, really thick firm leaves. Those tend to really like not struggle with me. And this one, I'm cheating. I'm way too scared to put it inside. I have it outside. As you can see, it looks beautiful. It is beautiful and no leaves falling off. It's stunning. I got it for $15.98 at Lowe's and I'm just obsessed with it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I love the way it vines and everything, but I want to admire it more because I feel like if I put it inside, it's gonna die. So I have it outside right now, and I water it almost every single day. It does have drainage holes. The saucer, I removed it, and there's airflow moving around it. So just like any other plant that I have outside, it's literally thriving out there, and it's also really, really humid. She is just so like, she's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh, let me show you the other way that I do my hair. I usually like to do it like this, but you can see my big forehead. I don't care, but it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I want to propagate it so bad, so I might propagate some cuttings. I do have a video planned where I want to propagate my favorite plants, so that's going to be coming up very, very soon. It's just so pretty, and it's so nice and lush and full, and I needed it. And I think it's called Cupid peperomia. That's fun. Next up, which I keep talking about it, but I think this will be the last time because I keep talking about it so much, but it's this Manjula. I finally got another one, also $14.98. Look how lush and full she is. Like, oh my god, like, she's so pretty, guys. And I think on the plants, what was yesterday's video, my favorite plants, literally tell me that y'all are looking for these, so these will be popping up in the big box stores. Now because Costa Farm talks to me, they don't, but it's because I've been seeing them, and also like I know in the fall they get better shipments, the big box stores, because it's easier to ship out plants. That's like the theory. But I am seeing some insane plant finds. I just filmed a plant shopping video today. We'll be going live tomorrow. And they had the arrangements that I've been seeing of house plants with beautiful, gorgeous plants in them. And I finally saw them, and they look beautiful. So super duper excited. And keep an eye out on these beautiful Manjula pothos if you have been looking for one, because they're just so pretty. And I love it. I love it. Next up is going to be this. You're not a Wayeti. Are you a Wayeti? No. Courtesy Eye. I think it's called Courtesy Eye Hoya, or Hoya Courtesy Eye. It has like 2 eyes, I think so. Look at how those leaves are. Now, when I got it, there was a little bit of yellowing leaves, and that's perfectly normal. Now, I do have it outside, and I don't water. I water my plants on the front like almost every single day, every morning. But this one, I don't. It is hanging on a plant, so whenever she gets water, she gets a little bit of water, because I do not want to overwater her. I do try to like water. I only had it for like a week, I think so. Once I try, I would water it directly. Otherwise, I won't, because I know that these don't like to stay moist for too long. But this is an insane. I think one of the leaves broke off. I've been really aggressive with the watering hose. I'm trying to like remove any like bugs I have inside, because I'm getting close to. Yep, look at that. Look, I knew it. Now you can actually see roots on the back of the leaves, so you can actually propagate these. That looks like it's easy to propagate. I might actually propagate it and see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. But even then, she is a gorgeous plant. Like, and it's huge, and it was for $20. So I think somebody went to the front door. Who is it? Oh, it's my cousin. Okay, but it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I love how thick and hard and firm the leaves are. And like, even from this distance on this angle, like the way you're seeing it right now, that looks super duper cool. The leaves feel like coins, like very hard and firm, but flat. So that's really, really cool. So that's the Hoya Courtesy Eye. I'm probably botching the name so bad, but she really, really cute. And then I think we have 2 more. So this one is on a growers, on a catch pot that I got from at home, or catch, whatever. And it says, oh, grow up, which I think is so funny. And I placed my rubber food fern in here, and I have it bottom watering in here. Now I will dump out this water today, but I gotta make sure that it's staying moist, but I do not want to wet the rhizomes. She's just so pretty, and I want it to go like that with the rhizomes. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. It's so goddamn cute. I love the foliage. And if you guys saw, I think it was yesterday's plant shopping video, y'all saw when I got, was it this morning? It could be this morning. The one that had like, they had a shipment in the back. They, I found it, and I was like, you're coming home with me, little guy. You're just so goddamn cute. It is putting out this new leaf. Again, I just got it yesterday, so I hope it hasn't crisped up. Usually whenever I neglect, I don't know, I just feel like it looks like a fern, you guys, but it's not as finicky as like a Boston fern. It really isn't. It's really, really easy to look after. So if you're looking for like a fern vibe, this is definitely it. And I just love this. It's like a statement. Like, it's so goddamn cute. I wish it can go more down, but it's okay. I actually don't mind it when it's like even. But she's so cute. I gotta use another word because I keep using that. I think the neighbor's coming. And then I have the last one, which is my massive golden pothos that I'm honestly obsessed with. I think she needs water now, but look how thick she is. for $17.98. Now you might actually find the exact same thing from the company at Lowe's, but you can either find it like a little bit less foliage or even a lot more foliage than this one. This is such an amazing find, and I just love how like lush and huge she is. Like if I could, I would have gotten like 5 of them and place them all over my house, because like the golden pothos are just one of the easiest plants to have in your collection, and they look so good and beautiful, and I think they look exactly, and they give off like Thai constellation vibe. And the neighbor's like looking at me. I'll be back. Righty, plants and friends, that is basically it for today. It was a really fast video because like I think I shouldn't really be making that long videos if I'm posting like 2 videos every single day. Hopefully I can continue with that schedule, but that is basically it. Let me know what plants you have bought this month. If you got one of your wishlist plants, if you just got a impulse buy, like I have. What was an impulse buy? Literally this one was an impulse buy, because like I already have one, but it was just so goddamn cute, and it was cheap too. I think that it was like $3.98 instead of $4.98. I know, $1, but and then these two, which I don't like. If you know me, I don't like calatheas. I'm very picky on what kind of calathea I get, but I never seen these, so I was like, I need to get it before like they run out. As well, this one I was like, I'm not really that obsessed with this Hoya. It's pretty, I like to admire it, but it was $20 on a massive pot. I've seen them on the small pots for $15, but never on a big pot like that one. So that was an impulse buy that I do not regret as of now. But and also this one, because like I have a lot of impulse buys. But yeah, that's basically it. Sending out positive vibes. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.